Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video, and this is a 2021 MG3. In this video I'm going to show you how to operate the child locking system on the rear doors, and it's relatively easy. All you're going to need is your MG key. So first off, we're obviously going to unlock the car, then we're going to open up one of the rear doors fully. It is the same on both sides, and just look down here by the lock. There's a little diagram that shows you a unlocked symbol and a locked symbol. So if you look now, this orange toggle there is actually on the unlocked position, which will mean that your door handle will work from the inside and the outside. So what we're going to do is flip out our key using that button, and we're just going to toggle that to the left, which shows us the locked symbol. So that means that the interior handle will no longer operate to open the door, only the exterior one. So there we go, that's how easy it is to operate the child locking system on a 2021 MG3, and this works on both the rear doors and should be the same across all models. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.